Welcome to Haven and Green, where design becomes emotion, and every space tells a story of luxury, creativity, and transformation. Today, we step inside a world where glamour knows no limits, where reflections dance across every surface, and where bold design choices turn an ordinary closet into a breathtaking boutique sanctuary. This is not about minimalism. This is about expression, about layering textures, embracing drama, and creating an atmosphere that feels immersive, radiant, and unforgettable. As the room begins to evolve, every detail contributes to a sense of visual richness. Floor-to-ceiling mirror mosaics scatter light in every direction, transforming the walls into shimmering works of art. Velvet textures add softness and depth, while metallic finishes introduce warmth, elegance, and bold personality. Lighting becomes a central character in the transformation. Crystal chandeliers glow like floating sculptures above polished marble floors, casting reflections that make the space feel endless. Every angle reveals a new perspective. Every surface captures movement, sparkle, and luxury. The result is a closet that feels less like storage and more like an exclusive fashion boutique hidden inside a dream home. The beauty of maximalist design lies in its confidence. Rich jewel tones, layered fabrics, dramatic decor, and curated fashion displays all come together to create a space filled with energy and individuality. Nothing feels empty. Nothing feels forgotten. Instead, the room becomes alive with texture, color, and atmosphere. The mirrors amplify the drama while also expanding the space, making the entire environment feel cinematic and immersive. What makes a transformation truly memorable is the emotion it creates. A luxurious closet is no longer just a functional room. It becomes a personal sanctuary, a place to begin and end each day, surrounded by beauty, inspiration, and elegance. Every shelf, every reflection, and every carefully chosen detail contributes to an experience that feels elevated and deeply personal. At Haven and Green, we believe interior design should inspire emotion and ignite imagination. Luxury is not only about expensive materials or grand spaces, it is about creating environments that feel magical, expressive, and uniquely yours. Whether through bold maximalist styling, timeless textures, or dramatic lighting, every transformation has the power to completely redefine the way a space feels. As this dazzling makeover comes to life, the room transforms into a masterpiece of reflection and sophistication. The mirror mosaics create endless depth, the velvet accents bring warmth and comfort, and the layered lighting wraps the entire space in a golden glow. It is glamorous, artistic, and unapologetically bold. Thank you for being part of this journey with Haven and Green. If you enjoy luxury interiors, breathtaking transformations, and inspiring design ideas, make sure to stay connected for more extraordinary spaces designed to spark creativity and elevate everyday living. Until next time, continue dreaming bigger, designing boldly, and creating spaces that truly reflect your vision of beauty and luxury.